In today's video, I'll show you a way for Canadian to buy crypto that it is safe, easy, with minimum fees. The company is called Newton, so just sit back, relax, and we're starting this right now. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As usual, my name is Carl. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because all my video I'll be making, it's all about tips and tricks on how you can make money with crypto. In today's video, I'll show you a very easy platform to use to buy different kind of crypto for people living in Canada. The company is called Newton. I've been playing now with the platform for the last couple of days and it worked very good. It's very fast, and especially the fees, which are quite low. So I'll give you all the details. So let's go directly on their website. I'll put the link in the description because by using the link, you'll be able to receive a bonus of $25 as soon you trade or purchase your first $100. All right, so it's called Newton. So this is their website. They have the web-based application, so you can access it directly from your computer. And they also have an app for Android and iOS. So if you need to access it directly from your phone, it's pretty much the same thing as the web interface. So the way it works, like I said, by clicking the link in the description, it will bring you directly to this page. So it will say you've been invited to join Newton. Get $25 free when you make your first trade over $100. So all you have to do is put your email address, create your password, agree, and click here, get my free $25. So once you click on it, the account will get activated and you'll get to your dashboard. So what I like about Newton is just the layout. It's so nice, so clean, and it's so easy to use. So even for somebody starting in crypto, it's very easy to use. The only thing that they have, it's 3 buttons right here. The first one is the setting, and they have the 3 options. That's it. All the rest is just to give you a little bit info about the market, activities, your current wallet, your balance. But all you need to know it's those 3 buttons. So the first one is to add fund. So if you need to add fund to your account, so once you create your account, so let's say you would like to buy crypto, you click add fund, and then from here you click via interact e-transfer. So all you have to do is click on this, put the amount that you would like to request for. So let's say you would like to purchase for $200 worth of crypto. So you just put your $200 right here, and then you click send fund request. So what it will do, it will send a email to your email account, and it will asking you to authorize the transfer, the interact e-transfer. So you just click the link, choose your bank, and then you just fill up the information, and usually within 15 to 20 minutes your fund will be available right away in your account. So once this is done, you need to buy crypto. So to buy the crypto, all you have to do, you go right here to trade. So you click here and then you select how much you want to trade. So right now I don't have any Canadian dollar in my account, but I could do the opposite. Let's say I would like to fund from my Ethereum back to my Canadian account. It's the same way. So let's say we go the other way. So we have whatever Canadian dollar. So let's say you purchase $200, just put the $200 there, and then you select which crypto you would like to purchase. If you're just starting in crypto, I would say get Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you just select your coin, and from there you just click here, review trade, and then you just need to confirm. So let me give you an example how you can transfer money once you purchase some, let's say a Bitcoin or Ethereum. So the way it works, we just have to click on the 3rd button right here, which is the withdraw, and from there actually the first one would be if we need to withdraw back to our bank account. So let's say we sold Bitcoin or Ethereum back to Canadian money, we can move it directly back to our account, and pretty much the same with the deposit. It takes between 15-20 minutes, and then it will be instantly in your bank account. But in this case, I'm talking about crypto. So let's say you purchase, in my case, I have some Ethereum and I would like to move it somewhere else. So the way it's done, I just click here and then I can select whatever I want to do. It's easier to do on the phone because you can use the camera on your phone just to scan. But in this case, I could just paste the address. So I would have to, let's say, open my Binance account where I have my wallet there for my Ethereum when I do trading. And from there, I can go in the setting and get the address. Let me show you actually on my phone what it would look like. So if I go on the Ethereum on Binance, it would look something a little bit like this. So at the top right here, I have my address. This is my wallet address. If I want to take my Ethereum from Newton and move it to my Binance account where I do my trading. So all I have to do is just to copy this address and paste it directly over here. And then from there, I just review, confirm, and usually within 5 minutes, the money will be moved from Newton to my Binance wallet. Same thing if I want to do the opposite. If I want to do the opposite, I just need to do fund. So I need to add fund to the Newton account. I go here to my from crypto wallet, and then on my let's say Binance, I said I would like to withdraw. So I can just click on the withdraw button, and then it's asking me what's the wallet address that I would like to use. So the wallet address, it's right here. So I could just generate the QR code right here, and with my phone I can take the camera and just scan it. So instead of doing copy and paste or entering the number, making an error, whatever, it's just so easy. You scan the QR code and that's it, you're ready to go. So on my phone, I scan the QR code and then I confirm, I send the money, so it goes from my Binance wallet and move directly to my Newton account. When it's there, and let's say I want to cash those Ethereum back to my bank account, what I just need to go here, trade. So let's say I flip here, so I want to trade from Ethereum to Canadian money. I select how much I want to transfer. So let's say, I say I would like to transfer the maximum. Well, it will give me $125.75. So once I click review here, confirm, within second, the money will be available directly into my account. So from there, all I have to do, go back here, withdraw, and then I can do a interact transfer. I can say how much I want to transfer back to my account, and that's it. Review withdrawal, and it's gone within 15 minutes usually. The money will be available directly in the account. But the thing I like the most about Newton is the way it's all set up. The interface is so nice, so clean. Like I said, it's so easy. There's only 3 buttons, and the fee, there's no fee for interact transfer. There's only a small spread that when you buy your crypto, that Newton will take as a profit. What the spread, it means that they will sell you the coin a little bit more expensive than what it would be normally, and when you sell it back to Canadian money, they'll give you a little bit less so they can make a little bit money. But the fees, I've been trying different platforms, and so far I have to say that Newton is probably the cheapest. Like the $100 that I purchased in Ethereum, it came back to $99 and something cents. So the fee was very minimal, and that's what I like about it. So give it a try. Like I said, use the link in the description so you'll be able to collect your free $25 after transferring your first $100. It's a 25% bonus, which is very nice to have. And from there, just move your money or your crypto away in a safe place, your wallet or in the other trading platform or whatever what you want to do with them. Give it a try and you'll see it's very easy. It's very cheap. Also the fees are very minimal and I just love it. So if you have any question, let me know in the description below. I try to answer your question as much as possible. So I hope you did like this video. If you did like it, make sure to smash the like button, and if it's not already done, please hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I do all my videos about crypto, how to make money, how to accumulate more crypto, and from there, hopefully have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.